Bringing a new baby home is exciting. And let's be honest, a little overwhelming too. From feeding to diaper changes to sleep schedules, it's a lot to manage. But here's the good news. A solid baby care routine can make your days more predictable, more peaceful, and way less stressful. In today's video, we're breaking down 10 simple steps to create your ultimate baby care routine, perfect for new parents or anyone looking to bring calm to the chaos. Let's get started. Babies thrive on rhythm, not strict schedules, but consistent patterns. Create a gentle flow for the day. Wake-up time, feeding, play, naps, and bedtime. Over time, your baby will learn what to expect and feel more secure. On average, newborns need 8 to 12 diaper changes a day. Keep a fully stocked station with diapers, wipes, rash cream, and a spare onesie. A quick and calm change sets the tone for the rest of your routine. Newborns feed every 2 to 3 hours. Watch for hunger cues like rooting, hand-sucking, or fussiness. As your baby grows, they'll naturally settle into more predictable feeding intervals. Step 4. Make tummy time a daily habit. Tummy time isn't just play. It's essential for muscle development and motor skills. Start with a few minutes, 2 to 3 times a day, and build up. Always supervise and make it fun. Step 5. Establish a soothing sleep routine. A calming bedtime routine helps signal to your baby that it's time to rest. Try this 3-step flow: a warm bath, feeding, and gentle rocking or a lullaby. Consistency is key. Step 6. Keep baby clean without overdoing it. Babies don't need daily baths. 2 to 3 times a week is plenty for newborns. Clean their face, neck, and diaper area daily, and always use gentle, fragrance-free products. Step 7. Build in bonding time. Don't forget the emotional care. Spend time cuddling, reading, and talking to your baby. These moments are crucial for brain development and help build a deep, loving connection. Step 8. Track feedings, diapers, and sleep, at least for the first few weeks. Tracking helps you learn your baby's patterns and gives helpful info for doctor visits. Use a free app or just jot down the basics: feedings, diaper changes, and naps. Step 9. Practice safe hygiene for everyone. Keep your baby healthy by practicing good hygiene. Wash your hands before feedings and diaper changes, clean toys regularly, and keep your baby's nails trimmed to prevent scratching. Step 10. Create a calm environment for baby and you. A peaceful home supports a peaceful baby. Try using white noise, soft lighting, and minimizing clutter in your baby's main spaces. And don't forget, your mood affects your baby. Take care of yourself too. Outro recap and CTA. There you have it. 10 easy steps to create your ultimate baby care routine. Set a flexible schedule. Master diapering. Feed on cue daily tummy time. Establish a sleep routine. Gentle hygiene bond every day. Track the basics. Keep it clean. Create a calm space. Which of these steps do you already follow? Or which one are you most excited to try? Tell us in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, hit subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss a new parenting tip. Thanks for watching, and remember, you've got this.